Hey everyone! Today I want to show you this portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. I'm going to test it out and walk you through how it works so we can see the results together. You can actually use it on a lot more than just carpets. It's designed for sofas, mattresses, upholstered furniture, pet beds, car seats, and pretty much any fabric surface that needs a deeper clean. Everything arrived very well packaged, which helps reduce the chances of the machine getting damaged during shipping. Inside the box, you get the instruction manual, the machine itself, several cleaning attachments, the self-cleaning tool, and a sample bottle of cleaning solution. It comes with a few different attachments, which is nice because you can use it on more than just carpets. You get a fabric brush for upholstery, a silicone brush for delicate surfaces, and a bristle brush for deeper carpet cleaning. Before using the machine, the first thing we need to do is remove all of the protective packaging materials. The design is actually pretty nice. It's compact, doesn't take up much space, and is easy to store in a closet or cabinet when you're not using it. It also has a carrying handle, which makes it easy to move from room to room. One feature I found interesting is that the entire water system is integrated into a single tank assembly, making it easier to fill, empty, and clean after use. Personally, I find this very convenient because you're not dealing with multiple separate tanks. You simply remove the tank, empty it, rinse it out, and you're done. To get started, just fill the tank with water up to the maximum fill line and add the cleaning solution to the same compartment. You can use the measuring cup that comes with the product and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Next, attach whichever brush you want to use. As you can see, switching attachments is very simple and only takes a few seconds. You can even switch between brushes depending on the surface you're cleaning. Once everything is ready, plug the machine in and turn the power knob on. There's a button on the handle that allows you to spray the cleaning solution directly onto the surface. First, I'm going to thoroughly wet the area I want to clean, let the solution sit for a few seconds, and then slowly start cleaning the surface. One of the most satisfying things about using this machine is being able to watch it pull dirt out while you're cleaning. You can actually see the dirty water being extracted and collected inside the recovery tank. The process itself is very simple. First, the machine sprays the cleaning solution onto the surface, and then it extracts the water along with the dirt trapped within the fibers. After just a few passes, I can already see a noticeable difference. The carpet looks cleaner, fresher, and even the fibers seem to be regaining some of their original texture. The suction power removes a large amount of moisture, so the carpet doesn't end up soaking wet. I also like that you don't need to apply a lot of pressure or use much force while cleaning. This particular area of my carpet gets dirty very quickly because it's right next to the kitchen and it's one of the most heavily used walkways in the house. Honestly, I wasn't really sure how to get it looking better anymore because it had become pretty dirty over time, but this machine seems to be doing a really good job. I can already see a noticeable improvement. It may not show perfectly on camera because this carpet has several shades of gray, but in person I can definitely tell that it looks cleaner and fresher. Here you can see all of the dirt the machine was able to extract. Seeing the dirty water inside the tank really puts into perspective how much dust and debris can get trapped inside a carpet over time. Now let's try it on a fabric sofa and see how it performs on a different type of surface. All of my sofas are fabric, and honestly, I've always struggled to clean them properly. Removing covers and washing everything separately is a lot of work. And the armrests are especially difficult because they obviously can't go into the washing machine. That's one of the reasons I thought this machine could be useful. This model also includes a self-cleaning tool. Once you're finished cleaning, simply attach the self-cleaning accessory, run clean water through the system, and the machine will flush out the hose and internal passages. This helps keep the system clean and can help extend the life of the machine. The brush attachments can also be removed and rinsed under running water. As for the dirty water tank, you simply remove it, empty it into the sink, and rinse it out. I recommend doing this after every use to prevent odors or residue buildup. And finally, here are the results after about 2 to 3 hours. Overall, I'm really happy with the results. The carpet looks cleaner and feels fresher, and the sofa dried evenly without those watermarks or noticeable differences in color that can sometimes happen when you clean just one area. If you're looking for an easy way to clean carpets and upholstery at home, I think this one is definitely worth checking out.